In this video, you will learn about how to install indicator, how to use indicator correctly, and how to optimize indicator.
You need to go here and extract the file. You just right click, choose extract all, and you get the pop-up to extract. Next, again choose desktop, OK, next, yes to all, and we'll show the extracted files. So here you see we have the file that was extracted. Now we need to drop it into the Metatrader platform. If you don't yet have a Metatrader platform, please see the Metatrader 4 section of our website. So now that we have the file on the desktop, we're going to go to My Computer, choose Local Disk C, Program Files, and now you need to find the Metatrader platform you will be using. In this case, we're using the Metatrader 4 platform from IMFX. We're going to open up this folder. Within this folder, we're going to open the Experts folder. Now within the Experts folder, we're going to open up the Indicators folder. This is the location you need to drag and drop your new technical indicator. So we're going to drag and drop it into the folder and then close out of this window. We're now going to open the Metatrader 4 by IMFX, and we should see the indicator in the custom indicator section of our website. And sure enough, here it is, candlesticks. You can now drop it onto the chart. And that is how you download the indicators from forextoolshop.com.